Now our next topic is formula method. Using our quadratic general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. By using this general form of quadratic equation, we can calculate x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the roots. Okay. Then alpha here minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a, minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon twice a, this is the alpha, and minus b minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a, this is the beta. Means from this equation x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and beta equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Okay, these are the roots given by this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, by using this formula we can solve exercise 2.4. Okay. Exercise 2.4 we can solve by using this formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Exercise 2.4 practice set 2.4 question number 1. Compare the given quadratic equations to the general form and write values of a, b, c. Problem number 1, x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. First, we have to compare general form of quadratic equation. Means solution. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and find the values of this a, b, c. Okay, our equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, given equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Then comparing with a is equal to coefficient of x square. ठीक है, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Therefore, a equal to coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. b equal to coefficient of x is 7, but that is minus 7. So, coefficient of x is minus 7. And last is c for constant term. That is c equal to plus 5 means 5. Here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 5 are the values of a, b, c. Problem number 2. 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. First, this equation convert it into our general form. Okay, then we can write 2m square, then plus 5m, we can write minus 5m, and here minus 5 can be written as plus 5 equal to 0. This is our given equation, 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Then 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Then comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of m square is 2. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 5. A equal to 2, b equal to 5, minus 5, and c equal to 5 are the values of a, b, c. Third question is y square equal to 7y. Here y square equal to 7y can be written as y square minus 7y equal to 0. Okay, then it can be also written as y square minus 7y plus last term, that is constant. Here it is not present, so we can write constant term will be 0 equal to 0. Then again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 0. This is the values of a, b and c. Here, question number 2, solve using formula. First, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. First, we have to write value of a, b and c. Means first comparing with general form, that is comparing with first the given equation is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Then comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then the value of a equal to, therefore a equal to coefficient of x square is 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 5. These are the values of a, b, c. Then first we have to find b square minus 4ac. Our formula is x is equal to, x is the root, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the formula. Okay, then first we have to find b square minus 4ac. Then first we have to find b square minus 4ac equal to, put here b square equal to, b means 6 square. Okay, then minus 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to 5. 6 square is 36 minus 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. 36 minus 20, that is 16. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 16. Okay, then put b square minus 4ac equal to 16 in this formula. Okay, therefore we have x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here minus sign, b value of b is 6, so minus 6 plus or minus square root b square is 6 square and b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is 16. So here root 16. Okay, divided by 2 into a is 1, 2 into 1 minus 6 plus or minus square root of root 16 is 4 and therefore 2 1s are 2. Okay, then x equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, here x equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4 upon 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Okay. Here x equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4. Therefore, we can write x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 and here minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Then solve this. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 by 2 and minus 2 upon 2 means minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Here x equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2, and therefore 2 5s are 10, x equal to minus 5. Therefore, there are two values, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Here, fifth problem is y square plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. The given equation is y square plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Okay, here in denominator there is 3. So, multiply by 3 on both sides. Multiply by 3 on both side. Then here multiply by 3 means 3y square plus 1 by 3 into 3. Then 3 will get cancelled. Then here 1y equal to 2 3s are 6. This is the quadratic form. 3y square plus 1y equal to 6. Then 3y square plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. Then comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the value of ABC are a equal to 3, then b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 6. Okay. First we have to find b square minus 4ac. B square means value of b is 1. Therefore, 1 square minus 4 into a means 3 and the value of c is minus 6. 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12 and 12 6s are 72. Here 1 plus 72 is 73 and the value of b square minus 4ac equal to 73. We have x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon twice. Okay. Here minus b, value of b is minus, value of b is 1. Then put minus 1 plus or minus and the value of b square minus 4ac is 73. Therefore, here 73 divided by 2 into value of a is 3 means 2 into 3. Solve this. Minus 1 plus or minus root 73 and 2 3s are 6. X equal to minus 1 plus और माइनस रूट 73 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. यहाँ पर 73 का रूट नहीं निकल सकता तो उसको वैसे ही रहने दो. देन अगेन वी कैन राइट x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 प्लस रूट 73 अपॉन 6 and x equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. Okay. This equation cannot be solved. Minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 because root 70 upon root 73 cannot solve. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6 are the roots of given equation. Okay, here the variable is y. So here we can write y equal to, okay, because variable is y. We can write y equal to, here y equal to, okay, because given equation the variable is y.